Hello friends, myself Muhammad Fahim Hassan, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can fix this error briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute, and maybe you'll face this error again and again, and maybe you are using this local software which is built for WordPress. So in this video I'm going to teach you how you can build that. So first of all, you can see that this is my site which is running, and when I'm trying to access my website, it was showing me that error. Okay, so yes, I now currently it is working, but if you see this, because I have already fixed that, so you just need to go, you just need to click on site folder, and then I will go click on the app and public, and here you will find this dot maintenance file. You just need to click on this and delete this. You can press delete button to delete this. Once you will delete that, because previously when I was testing and preparing for this video, I already deleted that, so that's why it is fixed. So then you will see that your site will be fixed successfully. Now you can see that the maintenance mode gone and the error has been solved. Thank you.